Hey guys, my name is Priyanka and today I'll show you how we can easily make a beautiful watercolor doodle painting. This one idea can help you create innumerable beautiful paintings like these. A great fun and stress buster activity. It's an abstract flower painting and I'm first giving it a light background. I'm going to use three pigments here, orange and blue for the flowers and sap green for the leaves. You can use any pigments that go well together and use any one of those for painting the light background. So once the background layer dries, we will start doing the flowers. Very less pigment, not a high water consistency, and we will do the first layer. Once that dries, the second layer will be slightly darker and we can give as many as 4 to 5 layers, each darker than the other. Taking a contrast color, we will paint some more flowers in the same way. The only thing to remember is that a next layer is to be painted only after the current layer is fully dried. After all the flowers are done, it's time for the doodles. I'm using a 0.5 mm gel pen for this and giving a simple design. Time for the stems and the leaves. Loose and beautiful. Once they're done, I paint the leaves in sap green. You can give them 2 to 3 shades as well as per your desire. And finally, to give a slightly more pep, I'm doing some golden and white pen work. So guys, a beautiful abstract painting is ready in minutes. You should try this fun activity for sure, and I will see you soon in yet another exciting tutorial. Till then, keep practicing. Happy painting!